Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video today. In this video, we're going to be discussing some tips and tricks for creating an engaging and successful YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Alright, let's dive in. Tip 1. Define your niche. The first tip for creating a successful YouTube channel is to define your niche. This means deciding on a specific topic or theme for your channel. By doing this, you can attract a more targeted audience that is interested in your content. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in, so that you can create high-quality and engaging videos that will keep your audience coming back for more. Tip 2. Create consistent content. Consistency is key when it comes to creating a successful YouTube channel. Your audience needs to know when to expect new content from you, so try to establish a consistent schedule for posting videos. This will help you build a loyal following and keep your viewers engaged. Tip 3. Focus on quality over quantity. While it's important to be consistent with your content, it's equally important to focus on quality over quantity. Don't feel like you need to post a video every single day if it means sacrificing the quality of your content. Take the time to create high-quality videos that your audience will enjoy and find valuable. Tip 4. Engage with your audience. Engagement is crucial when it comes to building a successful YouTube channel. Make sure to respond to comments and messages from your viewers and ask for feedback and suggestions on future content. This will help you build a relationship with your audience and create a community around your channel. Tip 5. Promote your channel. Finally, don't forget to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche, and consider investing in advertising to reach a wider audience. The more exposure your channel gets, the more likely you are to attract new viewers and grow your channel. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 tips for creating a successful YouTube channel. Remember to define your niche, create consistent and high-quality content, engage with your audience, and promote your channel to grow your following. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.